The most common causes of enlarged pores include excessive sebum production, aging and sun damage, lack of exfoliation, dirt buildup, and improper skincare routines. In some cases, genetics can also contribute to pore size. Our bodies are covered with pores, apart from our palms and soles. Today in this video, I will share how to make DIY for open pores. First, mix up a paste of 3 parts baking soda to 1 part water. Baking soda is not only a good exfoliator but also helps by slightly shrinking the size of your pores, thereby preventing dirt and other particulate matter from clogging them. Scoop the mixture with your fingers and, using circular motions, gently massage the baking soda paste onto your face. Leave it on the skin to set for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse it off with clean water.